everyone. Okay, so today is my last day in Haram Sharif, so I thought of putting this place live for people who would like to see. So here is this beautiful look at the Kaaba. Look at the crowd, it's crazy. This is still less because just Roza Khula hai and people have gone back to their hotels to eat food because there's very limited thing that you can eat here, especially inside the haram. So as you can see, we're just done with our iftari and namaz. So, and yes, I have prayed for everyone who's asked me for, and may Allah bless everyone and bring everyone to this beautiful place. So yeah. This is the new thing that has happened to Haram Sharif from last year. This is made by Turkey people and it looks beautiful. This is the structure of how old Kaaba used to look like, and this is the beautiful Kaaba which we all desire to be, you know, and it feels great. It's the best month to be here, and yeah. And I hope everyone is having a great Ramzan. I have literally put on weight and I look so fluffy because the timing is so weird here. I'm awake all night and I sleep almost half a day, and we just get up for the namaz. So yeah, you can see the clock tower. I have met a lot of amazing fans here from Pakistan majorly and from Bombay, and it feels great, you know, when people appreciate you, your work, being here. They like you because I think a lot of people have that hypocrisy of you know, when you come to such places they keep criticizing you, because I think your profession and your personal life is very different. So that's how it should be. And I'm very happy that I come here. I bring my mom every year. Where is she? Let me find her for you. Yeah, she is. So she keeps praying, and unfortunately today is my last day. I'm going to be seeing this Kaaba inshallah next year if Allah wills, with my family again. And I really hope that everyone gets an opportunity to come here at least once in their lifetime. And it's beautiful. And happy Ramadan to everyone. Thank you everyone for all your wishes, and thank you Shayon, Pakistan. And I am good, and the Ramzan so far has been fantastic. I've been observing all my fasts and trying to complete the Quran as much as possible. So I'm just halfway through the Quran. Hopefully I'll complete it in another 10 days time. I was expecting to complete 2 Quran like last time, but unfortunately nahi ho paya, because I've also been keeping a little unwell and I'm on medicines and antibiotics, so that really keeps me very drowsy most of the time. Thank you, Aruj. I am going to pray for every single one, people who've asked me to pray for and people who've not asked me to pray for, but I think it's important. And you never know what a dua can do to you, to your life, to your loved ones. And guys, please remember me also in your prayers. Don't think just because I'm here I don't need your prayers. So please pray for me, for my family, for my, especially for my Khala. She's keeping unwell and she's on a ventilator right now. So I am really hoping that Allah blesses her and gives her, makes it easy for her. And and thank you everyone. And I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I'm going to go back to my hotel because we've not eaten much. We've just broke our fast on dates and Zamzam water, and I think that's the best. So we're just going to go home and go to the hotel, eat a little, finish our Isha, and then probably try the most famous Albek, which we've always tried with my family, but I every year have new members in my family who come for the holy pilgrimage. So I want to take them out because tomorrow morning inshallah we'll be leaving post Fajr Namaz by 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'll be back to Bay in the evening by 7:38. I'm going to miss this place so bad. It's not even it's not even easy to describe how much I'm going to miss this place. I break my fast here from last 4-5 days because this is like the terrace of the haram surrounding, and from here you can see the whole haram, so you can just face your self towards haram because जब आप शाम को हरम शरीफ एकदम बंद हो जाता है आफ्टर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम और आप एकदम अंदर आपको जाने नहीं देते, एंड ऑब्वियसली हर कोई काबा को देख के रोज़ा खोलना चाहता है, तो हमें ये जगह मिली और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज बहुत अच्छा व्यू है, ओपन है, गर्म नहीं होता बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हॉट हियर, इट्स आई थिंक इट्स अराउंड 47 राइट नाउ, इट्स वेरी वेरी हॉट. So this place really gives you some air to breathe. At the same time, you can see the haram and break your fast and pray as much as you can. The only thing that we can do is praying and believing that things are going to change. But rest, everything depends on Allah. What He wants to accept, what He doesn't, and He is the most merciful and the most forgiving. So all we need is to have faith in Him, and inshallah things will be fine. So yeah. Thank you guys, thank you for coming and watching me live and watching this place which I absolutely love, and I wish to come back. This is the last view. I am signing off.